Hello. I've got a unboxing slash overview for you of a mechanical keyboard from a company called AllEasy. It is the CK108. It is $79.95 on Amazon right now. Prime shipping, so it's free, of course. And this is blue keys. They are Outemu, I believe. Outemu is the brand of the key switches that are in here. This is an RGB keyboard. 16 point, I don't know, 7 million colors or something like that. I don't know. Not sure. But opening up, we have this here, our little user guide. It's in 2 different languages. It's packaged very well. We got styrofoam on both sides and a little styrofoam wrap here as well for it. But let's open it up here. Fairly heavy keyboard because the actual top is metal. It's kind of nice. It's very nicely made. From what I've seen so far. It does have a wrist rest here, palm rest, whatever you want to call it, which clips onto the bottom like so. Clips on there, and you know, you can take it off and on. I don't like them myself personally, but whatever. We got 4 rubber feet, of course, and then we have legs that can flip up to bring the keyboard up at an angle for you, which personally, you know, that's what I prefer. They did not include a key puller for whatever reason, but I have several of them, of course. As I said, these are blue keys, mechanicals keys. They're the Outemu. Really, you can't see it because they're clear. It's really hard to read, but that's what they are there. They're, you know, clicky, as it were. They're blue. I mean, I like blue. I like the clicky, and I like this keyboard on here because, I don't know, most keyboards are how the keys are set down inside. These are like, you know, totally up above, you know, the whole thing. It's kind of nice look to it and all that. It does have a gaming mode on it. You can lock the Windows key, which is great, I think. I use it all the time. There are other keys I lock as well, if I can. I mean, for that matter, like I'll glue the cabinet lock, actually. But, yeah, whatever. Here's a side view here, real quick. It's a thin, nice profile to it angle. We got a plastic bottom, and then of course we have this nice plastic or metal top on here. It's very nice presentation overall. But let me grab a USB cable here, and let's plug it in. And let me turn off the light, this light, and we'll turn off this one. There we go. All right. And there we go. That's just turning it on. We have all these different things here. Now, in the manual, it tells you what each ones are. There's a whole bunch of presets on here. We have to deal with delete, insert, home, and page up and page down. Each of these have 3 presets on them, but you can also create your own as well. You use the function tilde, and it goes into like a programming mode, and you can change what the colors you want. You can make each letter a different color if you want to. You can change the brightness. You can also change like the speed if they want to scroll and stuff like that. But here, the first one would be function delete. It's called flowing light and color. The first one is go with the stream. The second is clouds fly. The third is winding paths. So let's see here. There it is there. That is go with the stream, which is kind of neat, huh? It kind of flows that way. And then we have clouds fly. Kind of neat. And then here is winding paths. Now it kind of winds around like that. The next one would be function insert. It's called in one color. I don't know. The first is the trial of light. Yeah, kind of red, orange. Kind of nice. Got a yellow going there. As I said, you know, each key has, you know, all the different colors in it. Then we have breathing. Then we have monochrome normally on. Okay. Monochrome normally on, whatever that is, right? Next we have function and is dazzling rugged, which would be flowers blooming, which is kind of cool, right? Then we have pass without trace. Okay. Then we have, oh, nope, sorry, that was called Snow Winter Jasmine. Okay. Then 3 is Swift Action, which I don't know. Okay. Then we have Touch and Go for function home, which is touch and go. See? Touch one, it moves across. Then pass without trace. Right? What am I doing here? Home. Okay. Oh, yeah. See? Each time you press one, it lights up and then it fades. You can actually customize these as well. Then we have 3 is run without trace. Oh, okay. Each time it goes all the way across, you press it. Then we have Fast and Furious is page down across like so, which is called both ways. And then this, oops, what did I do here? Oops, sorry. There's Fast and Furious, and here's this one. It's Surmount. And then this one is Fast and Furious. Okay. The next one is page up called Youth. We have Hurricane, Accumulate, Digital Times. Okay. And you can reset all this stuff as well back to default and all that if you wanted to. You can do all kinds of different things here, but here, if I do function this, it gives me the lock. Gives our little signal there to let you know it locks the Windows key. So now you don't have to worry about ever pressing it while you're in game and stuff like that. But to program, function tilde, and it starts up there, and what you can do is function, hang on, where'd it go? Function tilde again, there we go. And you can scroll through the colors, and you can do this, another color, change those ones to that color, and then these ones to that color, and you can change these ones to that color. It's fully programmable. You can do all kind of stuff with it. It's a very nice, nicely made keyboard, I think. I'm really gonna have to use it some more, but so far it seems like a very nice, fully customizable keyboard. Oh, and I forgot to mention the function keys across the top. There it is. The function keys across the top are actually your multimedia keys as well, but they're just not labeled. F1 is CD. 2 and 3 are volume decrease, increase. There's mutes, last, next, internet search, email, calculator, pause and play. And you can change all the brightness as you're doing it for all the things. This is anytime you're doing it. I don't know, that's about it. I need to use it and all that, but it's a nice tour for you. It is a very nice keyboard, very nicely made. It's heavy, much heavier than I thought because it is small, but it still feels rugged and sturdy, and really curious to really get some use out of it. I love mechanical keyboards. I'll never go back to a membrane one again. But again, this is $79.95 on Amazon, and it's very much worth it in my opinion. It's the Otemu keys, which are, from my experience, they are on par with Cherry MX. I have Cherry MX as well, and I have Otemu, and I have the Kalis, and there's not much of a difference between them, really. Alright, but that's about it. Thanks.